believe it's about to be 2024. I mean, maybe by the time you watch this, it is 2024. And I want to share with you all the things that we got coming up for 2024. One thing I will tell you that's going to be different about this year is that we are going to be tapping into ourselves as a whole person. A lot of you might be going through different changes in your life and never would have imagined that you'd be where you are today. I mean, I feel that way. I mean, I'll raise my hand to that, So you guys have been with me since 2005. Crazy. And some of you might be new, but still a lot of you have been around with me for a long time. I want to talk to you about 2024. I want to see where we're headed and what we can do together as a community and how we're growing, what direction we want to go, and how we can continue to be there for each other. And I want to really express my gratitude to you guys. I could not be here without you guys. Every time you see that manifestation of the Henna Sooq location in Columbia, Maryland, when you guys walk through that door and I see some of you people come from all over, not just locally, but they come, and see us, and then I just get, to hug you guys. I get to be in your space, and that you're celebrating this with me, authentically too. That just blows my mind. I just really want to thank you guys. You guys did this. You guys did this. You helped me believe in myself. That's what it is. You guys helped me believe in ourselves. And please always pass that forward. Help others believe in themselves. Because it's hard. It's hard to believe in yourselves. The behind the scenes are real tears, real screaming out loud, real anxiety that you may feel in your solar plexus, feeling and recognizing where you feel things, but really being vulnerable with yourself and accepting and knowing who you are and continuing to get to know yourself. So this is what Henna Sooq is about. Our community and what we're doing here that's what it's about. It's about a journey. It's not about, I hope you buy something, maybe you'll come back. No, it is, you are going to be coming back. Now, what's coming up for 2024? All right, so we have a very special hair challenge for you this year. Very special. I've been thinking about doing this type of hair challenge for a very long time. I want to give you all, in the comfort of your own home, this intentional hair challenge. We're going to be vulnerable. We're going to be talking about our hair, and we're going to be sharing stories. We're going to have our own private Facebook group, and we're going to be sharing and going through week by week for 6 weeks, using different products. And I have some newbies. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna go crazy. There is a Shebe hair mask. Here it is, the Shebe hair mask that you guys are gonna be using in this intentional hair challenge. The slip in it, oh my goodness, your hair is so hydrated. Our master cosmetologist that tried this in the salon recently was shocked. It's so good. I'm so happy on how it came out. So we're gonna be doing this one of the weeks. We're gonna be making hair serums and teas. We're gonna be doing a little bit of DIYs, because I really want this to be intentional. I want you guys to say, hey, I'm committing time to myself, because we've went back to the cycle of life. There's no COVID right now, so we're really just cycling through things. The hustle is back on, right? So we're working, we're keeping busy, maybe we're taking trips and vacation and stuff like that. I want you guys to commit to the 6 weeks of this hair challenge, to renew your commitment to yourself. And yes, through hair care, through storytelling, through mindfulness, through all the things that make us feel whole from crown to toe. Because we're gonna get grounded in this. We are gonna get grounded. And trust me, you're gonna absolutely love this hair challenge. All the products that we're gonna be using and making, it's gonna have flourishing, amazing hair, so stay tuned for that. That's coming up in January. So make sure you're on our mailing list, because, being on our mailing list means you have access to that and you'll get first dibs. And it's starting right in January. So literally, you'll probably see the first emails coming out January, I believe it's January 2nd or 3rd. It's that first week in January, we're gonna be announcing it. So, and then giving you time to order because you got your products, and then, you know, you'll have access to your 6-week regimen plan, you know, which will be given to you 1 week at a time though, you know, as we start it, because we wanna do it together. We don't want anyone to race ahead. We wanna be all on the same page. And there's gonna be a few bonuses in there. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of bonuses for you guys, a lot of special guests as well. Oof. It's gonna be so good. And I'm relaunching our Henna and Jaguar Body Art e-course right on time and right in January as well. Like probably by mid-January, we should have that ready for you guys. Another way to tap into, you know, the artistic, creative part of yourself. Maybe you wanna learn something new. Listen, 2024 is about getting to know yourself and learning something new. Okay, those are 2 things I definitely want you guys to focus on. So maybe the Henna and Jaguar Body Art course will be amazing for you. And the cool thing is that I have the Henna Body Art course, and then we have the Jaguar Body Art course. So the difference is Henna will give you that reddish stain, and then the Jaguar, where you see some of the darkness here, is more like black and blue stains. So it's a different medium, but we're gonna be doing the same type of art. We have guests, lots of new designs. I completely revamped the Henna and Jaguar Body Art course. So, and it's about 90 days long. You get 2 private training sessions with me, and you get to choose. So there's a lot of dates you can choose. There's a lot of flexibility. We have a private student group right on Facebook. Like there's just so much you can access. And I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to make a little bit of money from that if you decide that you want to do parties, or, you know, do it for, you know, clients. Like maybe you want to expand the business that you're already in. Maybe you're an esthetician, maybe you're a cosmetologist, or, you know, maybe you just want to have a way to make some additional income. So it's a great way to do that. And then, you know, or maybe you have someone that works for you that you want them to be trained in it, and so that way they can also do it and offer it in the space that you work out of. I mean, there's so many endless ideas. And if you're local to Columbia, Maryland, you can also do our Henna courses in person. We have what we call workshops, and we're gonna have those rolling out. So many new events that you don't wanna miss when it comes to the Hennasooq space. Oh, including this. January 5th, we have my girl, Moo Fresh, aka Maymuna Yusuf, leading us in a sound bath experience. You gotta bring your journal, gotta bring your mat. I mean, we are laying it out heavy with this crown to toe intentional. Like, we're gonna start this year off right. And not only that, I'm going to introduce you to, if you love to work out, I got somebody for you that you guys are absolutely going to love. And I've been doing it. I've been working out like 3 days a week. I've been trying to do my 10K steps, and I just feel so good. I feel, I don't know, I just feel so much better. Like, it feels so good. So I'm gonna be giving you all of that, access to that, and sharing all of that with you. This is what we got going on. I was like, wow, we're only in January too, you know? And we're gonna go from there. Then, you know, February is my birthday month, so you'll be out there, you know, checking out for some, you know, specials and promotions that we're gonna have coming up, which will happen in February. So you stay tuned for that as well. And you will notice this year that we have brand new products, like all of our gloss bars are now gonna come in this super cute little box. I don't know if you remember, like the little pouches they come in. I've been trying to develop the right package for the gloss bars, you know, because I never liked the bags. I've never liked the pouches, and I don't want to have like plastic, and I don't want to have more waste, you know. So I was like, how can we make, you know, a box, you know, this is a sample of it, but it's basically, you know, made out of cardboard, so you can recycle it. You can probably even reuse it, put a piece in there, leftovers. It's perfect for a gloss bar. So these are gonna be brand new packaging for our gloss bars. And we're gonna be transitioning. All these white packages are getting an uplift, and they're looking so cute. They're gonna be branded, and they're gonna be looking so nice. Talking about brand new packaging, oh my goodness, brand new Ayurvedic hair masks coming out. I mean, look how cute they are. Just look at the designs. I mean, they're so super cute. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. You know, so we're gonna have brand new masks. This is just the packaging, but they're brand new products. herbal hair care product masks for hydration, and Ayurvedic henna anagen. Oh, we got Ayurvedic dry shampoo. We got so much for you guys. And not only that, what's coming out is brand new mud masks. We're talking about turmeric, we're talking about sea salt, green tea for your face with the Hennasooq green clay, and then we have the red clay. And you know, the red and the green clay come from the same mountain as the Hennasooq clay. It's just a little bit different. Hennasooq is unique because it has saponins in it, and the red clay is really good, you know, usually for when your skin is just dry and you want to use something on dry skin. That's very good for that. And then the green clay is usually a little bit better for oily skin. But with the green tea, it's going to be giving you like some of the caffeine that your face needs to like tighten up and feel a little youthful, you know. And then that turmeric and rose petal and the red clay, oh my goodness, it's going to be a delicious hair mask. Yes, and it smells so good. All of them smell absolutely amazing. Yeah, so you have that to look forward to, all these new mud masks. So we got a ton of new products coming out for you guys, like tons. If you want to see something special in particular, like something that's been on your mind that you wish we carried or had, let us know in the comments below. I would love to hear your feedback. And note that we're also making some new updates to our reward program. We're adding in even more rewards. We're gonna have that refer a friend. When you do these hair challenges and certain e-courses, you're going to get bonus reward points when you complete them. Oh yeah, we have a lot coming up. And there's already free products. We're always updating the products that you can get for free with the reward program, because as you shop, you'll be building up points, and that's what our program is. And you can use it online, and you can use it even in the store. So I mean, listen, we make this easy for you guys. We want you to enjoy the experience that you have with us. We want you to come back to us, trust us, build with us. So thank you again for being on this journey with me. Let's get into this 2024. Let's get it popping. Remember, if you have anything that you want to suggest or ask for, request, put in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Have an amazing start to this new year. You know, pull out your journal and promise yourself to be, you know, focused on learning something new and also intentional about getting to know who you are.